As a team, we're big chat users because it provides an environment where we can have open and meaningful conversations with each other. The problem with chat is that once you are done having a conversation, it's essentially dead. There's no real way to bring it back.
So Awesomatic is powered by Firebase. And before we settled on Firebase, we looked at everything. We looked at existing chat protocols, but they didn't allow us to store the rich kind of data that we wanted to provide to chat.
So we wanted the ability to not only revisit conversations that happened in the past, but we wanted to be able to take the important stuff that happens in conversations and store them indefinitely.
You know, there's one thing that's non-negotiable about any chat platform, is that it has to feel real time. The messages have to be instantly delivered to all participants. Firebase is laser focused on providing exactly that kind of real-time behavior. As a bonus, it's extremely easy to work into your solution. It's a really well thought out API.